Oh, morning boys and girls. Just out for a bit of a silly ride this morning. Got James behind me. Just been down to the old Birch airfield. He wanted to have a practice of playing in soft ground. There's a whole mound of rabbit holes and it's really horrible, and he just went down there for him to have a play. And the difference it makes to a day to just go out and have a ride and a laugh and get away from social media and the news. I mean, at the moment social media is just masked with bad news, and finding a form of social something to do on a computer other than actual YouTube where you can be selective. I thought about riding up and see my mate in Scarborough, but then he's probably faring no better than I am, and he's got to do the same things I've got to do, visit shops, and I can't afford to bulk buy, just can't afford it. And I've been living on what I got in the cupboard because there's been so much panic buying around Essex at the moment. I just don't fancy standing in queues and queues of people, because the odds are that somebody there has got a virus. Went to the local little village shop, managed to get some tea, sugar, milk and a couple of tins of soup, and maybe that's what surviving this will be about. Instead of panic buying and hoarding, just going and getting what is actually necessary. Would I panic buy if I could afford to? No, I'm not that type of person. Am I going to sit in my flat for 2 months? No. I'll do this. This is a way of staying away from people. A form of self-isolation, isn't it? It won't stop me going out and having a ramble.